Hello, friends. Did you know that ghee is actually a substance or a food that you should actually consume every day in your daily diet? It is, of course, a high calorie and fat content is high in that, but it is definitely required for a balanced diet and offers many benefits like nutrient absorption. Ghee is rich in fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins actually require fat for absorption in the body. So, including ghee in your meals can enhance the absorption of these essential nutrients. It also has a high smoke point. So, ghee, which means that it can withstand high heat without breaking down its consistency. So it can be used for sautéing, frying, and deep frying also. It is also a flavor enhancer. Ghee has a rich nutty flavor that can enhance the taste of foods. So adding a small amount of ghee to the dishes can make them more enjoyable, which actually help you feel satisfied with smaller portions. Digestive health is actually one another added advantage of it. In Ayurveda, it is considered as a source of agni or digestive fire and can help improve the absorption and assimilation of nutrients in the body. It's a source of healthy fats, good fats. So ghee contains predominantly saturated fats, but also contains small amounts of monosaturated fats. While saturated fats should be consumed in moderation, monosaturated fats are considered heart healthy and has a positive impact on cholesterol levels. So friends, definitely include ghee in your food. You can avoid the cooking oil and avoid oil in your cooking, but definitely add ghee to your hot food and enjoy your food and have a healthy, balanced diet.